Good morning students, I welcome you all to Social Science Vidyapeeth channel. As you know, this is our second channel and earlier many videos were uploaded in our Social Science with NKSR channel. For your class 6 to 12 Social Science videos were uploaded, and we are very glad for your good appreciation messages which you have sent. Our contents, teaching materials, extra question, MCQ based question, which are very helpful for all of you to do good in your term 1 exam. As you requested, sir, we need some more contents for our term 2 exam, so this channel is made by my team, and we expect that this channel will be also very helpful to do good in your term 2 exam. And so far many educational videos for your class 6 to 12 social sciences were already uploaded, and many videos are recorded, will be uploaded very soon. And we believe that you must have subscribed the Social Science Vidyapeeth channel along with Social Science with NKSR channel. As you know, every day my team uploads many educational videos which will help you to do good in your term 2 exam in both the channels, Social Science with Vidyapeeth and Social Science with NKSR channel. If you subscribe the channel, you will get the instant notification of the newly added videos, so that you can prepare yourself and do good in your term 2 exam. And you can help your friends by sharing this video, like these videos, and subscribe the channel. In this way you can help your friends, because live classes are also planned. A schedule will be started very soon, and new batches will be also started for your class 9, 10, 11, 12 board exams. Okay, and so today my team is ready to record this video for class 10 economics, sectors of the Indian economy. And I hope you all are ready to answer this question. And as I said in every video, that you should sit with a notebook and pen, so that you can write the important information of the video. And along with that, in the comment section you should send me how much mark you got total from all the MCQ in this video. Okay, so shall we start? The first question of this chapter is question number 1. Which of the following are the examples of the activities of the secondary sector? And your options are manufacturing the products like cloth from cotton, sugar from sugarcane. Next option, agriculture, animal husbandry, mining, lumbering, forestry, fishing, etc. Banking and insurance, trade, transport and communication. None of the above. So the right answer of this question, I hope you all have written. So the right answer of this question, the example of the activities of the secondary sector, that is manufacturing the products like cloth from cotton, sugar from sugarcane. Moving to the next question, disguised unemployment is a situation dash. Your options are: a person doesn't have a job, a person doesn't want to work, a person is incapable of doing a work, people are doing some work but they are not fully employed. Okay, so the right answer of the disguised employment is a situation where people are doing some work but they are not fully employed. Okay, moving to the next question, where are most of the people employed? Your options are: in primary sector, in secondary sector, in tertiary sector, and none of this. So the right answer of this question is in primary sector. Moving toward the next question, the task measuring GDP is undertaken by dash. Your options are: district government, central government, state government, and provincial government. So the task of measuring GDP is undertaken by, the right answer of this question is central government. Moving to the next question, which is the correct option for classification on the basis of nature of activity? Moving to your options are: organized sector and unorganized sector, public sector and private sector, primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector, and none of this. So the correct option for classification on the basis of nature of activity is primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. So now moving to the next question, which has the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 assured? Your options are: it has assured 100 days of work employment in a year, it has assured 100 days of free education in a year, it has assured medical facility in a year, it has assured houses for the poor in a year. So the right answer of this question is the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 assured. It has assured 100 days of work employment in a year. Moving to the next question, what is the other name of primary sector? So your options are: service sector, agriculture related sector, industrial sector, and activity sector. So the right answer of this question is the other name of primary sector, that is agriculture related sector. Moving to the next question, using a leather we make shoes, belts, etc. This is an example of dash. A tertiary sector, primary sector, secondary sector, and none of this. So the right answer of this question is using leather we make shoes, belts, etc. This is an example of secondary sector. Moving to the next question, goods and services mean dash, either for consumption by consumer or investment by firms, and for investment by firms, for consumption by consumers, and goods that are produced in factories. So the goods and services means either for consumption by consumers or investment by firms. This is the correct answer. Moving to the next question, which of the following is not an example of basic services? Your options are hospitals, educational institution, police stations, and garment shops. So the right example of the basic services, that is garment shops. Moving to the next question, intermediate goods are used in producing dash. Your options are final goods and services, raw materials, heavy goods, and light goods. So the intermediate goods are used in producing final goods and services. The full form of GDP is dash, a gross development process, good domestic production, gross domestic product, and gross demand production. So the full form of GDP is gross domestic product. The activity like dairy is an example of dash. Okay. Your options are tertiary sector, secondary sector, primary sector, and private sector. So the right answer of this question is primary sector. Okay. Moving to the next question, the occupation of a fisherman comes under dash, primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector, none of this. So the occupation of a fisherman comes under primary sector. Okay. Moving to the next question, the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 is referred as dash, right to information, right to work, right to live, and right to study. So the right option of this question is the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act of 2005 is referred to as right to work. Okay. So students, these are some of the important MCQ based questions which are prepared each topic of the sector of the Indian economy, class 10 economics chapter, and we hope this MCQ based question will be very helpful to all of you to do good in your exam. So we'll meet in the next video with some more MCQ based questions. Thank you.